Welcome to our training on the Brand Analytics Demographics Report. Brands enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry enjoy access to a suite of additional selling benefits, including the Brand Analytics tool in Seller Central. In this video, we'll review the features and functionality of one of the reports you'll find in Brand Analytics, Demographics. This report provides brands with a breakdown of sales for their products using various customer categories. It can help them understand who is buying their products, and they can use it to define advertising strategies. You can access the Demographics report and others in the Brand Analytics tool if you're a seller internal to a brand enrolled in Brand Registry. Simply select Brands in the main menu in Seller Central, then click Brand Analytics. Or click All Brand Benefits, then locate the Brand Analytics card. For more information about accessing Brand Analytics and other brand registry tools, see our modules in Seller University about requesting or managing access to brand selling benefits. After accessing the Brand Analytics tool, you can select Demographics from the list of reports at the top of the screen. The report provides a breakdown of sales for your brand's products across 5 customer categories: age, income, education, gender, and marital status. The data shown is reflective of primary customer account holders and includes sales of your brand's products across all sellers. To help ensure customer privacy, we only surface brands and customer categories associated with at least 100 unique customers. In each section of the report, a customer category is divided into segments. For example, age is divided into 6 segments in the Demographics report, starting with 18 to 24-year-olds and ending with those 65 and older. For each segment, you'll see the total number of unique customers, as well as a percentage of total, that's the number of unique customers in the segment, divided by the number of unique customers in the entire category. You'll also see a percentage of total change versus prior period for each segment, which is the difference in the number of unique customers compared to the previous reporting period. For example, if in the current week your brand had 300 customers who were 18 to 24 years old and 1,000 total customers, the percentage of total for the segment would be 30%. If in the previous week your brand had 150 customers who were 18 to 24 years old, the percentage of total change versus prior period would be 100% because the number of customers in the segment had doubled from one week to the next. In the second set of rows in the Demographics report, you'll see similar metrics for the number of units sold. For example, in the current week, 18 to 24-year-olds purchased 600 units associated with your brand and 3,000 units were purchased overall. In this scenario, the percentage of total for the segment would be 20%. If, in the previous week, 300 units were purchased by 18 to 24-year-olds, the percent of total change versus prior period would be 100% because the number of units purchased doubled. When you first access the Demographics report, it'll be defaulted to show sales across all product categories and brands for the previous week. You can use the first 2 drop-down menus at the top to view a specific time period. Keep in mind that data is generally available in Brand Analytics within 3 days, and that for the Demographics report, month-end data is available within 4 days, and quarter-end data is available within 1 week. You can use the remaining drop-down menus to select a specific brand or category. After making selections, click the Apply button to refresh the report. If you'd like to add or remove columns on the Demographics report, click Customize Columns on the right-hand side. Then check or uncheck boxes in the pop-up. Click the Save button to return to the updated report. To download a copy of the report, click the Generate Download button. Then, in the pop-up, select either Simple View to download the report you see on screen, or select Comprehensive View to download the report with all relevant columns. Click the Generate Download button to start your download, which you can monitor by accessing the Download Manager. Finally, if you want more information about how a specific metric is calculated, click Metrics Glossary to see a set of comprehensive definitions. On the Metrics Glossary page, you can expand each section to see additional details. We encourage brands to use all the features and functionality of the demographics report to gain insights into their performance in the Amazon store. Use it to help make strategic decisions about your brand catalog. If you notice your products are being purchased by certain demographic segments, you can explore other products popular with those segments. Or you can use the report to develop advertising campaigns focused on one or more customer categories. This concludes our overview of the demographics report. If you'd like step-by-step instructions for other brand analytics reports, see our series of modules in Seller University. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!